Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So far not much happened. We are still watching if we can get another low here in this particular structure. We currently assume that price is in a wave 4. Okay, that wave 4 might have topped already here or it's still unfolding as a triangle. In both scenarios, I would currently expect another low to be made in the area around 1530 to 1450. That would be ideal. It would take a sustained break above 1723 to get me to assume that a low is already in, a lasting low, yeah, but we are not there yet. And at the moment, the consolidation that price is doing here and undertaking would rather suggest continuation to the downside. At the moment, yeah, this triangle pattern here that's unfolding could be an ABCDE structure. That is, as per Elliott Wave, a triangle pattern. This is the microstructure here. Not entirely happy with it yet. It would be nice if the D wave would extend out a bit and the E wave to get a clearer 5-wave move, but it's technically full, you know. We don't need any more waves in this triangle. So it's technically full and we now need to pay attention to the 1591 level. That's basically the breakout point to the downside of the triangle. Yeah, it could extend out a little bit. The D wave certainly still has space lower if it needs to. The E wave is okay, it's a bit short though. So from that point of view, I can't confirm at this stage that the triangle is complete yet, but it could finish at any time. At the same time, you need to understand these triangles can always extend out and get more complex as long as the relevant breakouts haven't happened. And the breakout to the downside would be here at 1591, as I said. And again, it would take a break above 1724 to indicate that a lasting low is already in place and that we will not get this fifth wave to the downside. But we're far away from that. So at the moment, it's not giving us any evidence that it wants to break to the upside. Anything is always possible, of course, in these markets, but we just simply don't have the setup for it, not the clear setup. If I start to see something developing to the upside, I will, of course, let you know. Yeah. But it just makes the impression to me that this is some kind of a bearish pennant here, which typically would be expected to break to the downside. I can't really give you any more info. There isn't much more to talk about. We're just moving in a boring triangle. Could be that we do this over the weekend. Yeah. By the way, if this really is a triangle as I labeled it, I would assume that the E wave already topped and we're already breaking down. Yeah, because this last swing low made a low below the last one. So either the D wave is still unfolding or the triangle is complete. So anyway, this is really a deep dive into the micro structures. Be aware that this can quickly change, but the relevant levels have been highlighted. That's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.